How to check your Kohl's cash balance online. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up to check it out. And here's how we do it. So we need to head over to Kohl's website or open up the Kohl's application first of all and sign in if you are not signed in. Now on the website, we can go to the section for my account. Usually in the top right corner, we can find the section. Click on it and that should lead us to our account like this. And here we will be finding different options. So we need to scroll down and find this wallet section right here, and we have this option of Kohl's cash code or something like that. And in this section right here, we should usually be finding our Kohl's cash, available Kohl's cash, and the expiration date and any pending Kohl's cash from recent orders. And what we can do is, while we are checking out, we can just go over and add the eligible items to our cart first, and we can proceed to checkout. Click on this option called proceed to checkout. Once it is done, we can enter up our Kohl's cash balance, or it will directly show us our Kohl's cash balance, how much we have. See here, we can view it up, and it will be available as an option to apply. And Kohl's cash usually has a limited redemption window. Only one account's Kohl's cash can be used for transaction. Some items like gift card, selected brands may not be eligible for Kohl's cash. But yeah, that's it everybody. For now, we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.